Well, go on guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace this mirror. As you can see, it's broken. This is a Volkswagen Jetta. It's basically the same for all of them. So we're changing the glass only. So what we're going to do, we're going to tape off right here because we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and we don't want to scratch this part of the mirror. So let's take that part off. And also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel together. Alright, so guys, you can use whatever tape you have. If you have house tape, duct tape, whatever tape you guys have. I just have this masking tape, so this is what I'm using. You want to get a flathead screwdriver. Also, you can bring the mirror around just so you can get a better angle at it. So you want to push the top all the way over and then get this and pry the bottom out, and it will come out just like that. You want to do the same thing for the top. So I'm gonna pry the top out too, so I'm gonna tape the top. Normally they would just come out from the bottom, but this one being a hard-headed, so I'm just gonna pry both of them. You see, I don't even have to pry the top. So very important step guys, you want to unplug this right here and make sure you plug it back on the other mirror, or else your warning lights for this right here to let you know your blind spot monitor light, it will let you know a car beside you in your blind spot. So if you don't plug it right back, you're gonna get the warnings for your blind spot monitoring, that you're gonna get an arrow, and you don't want an arrow. All right, so let's make sure we plug that back. So guys, this is the part number, got it from the dealer, but I will leave a link in the description for the tools I use, and also if I can find a mirror in the description, I will be leaving one as well. So let's go ahead and install the mirror. Make sure just place your wires the same exact spot where you take the wire off from, so you don't mix up anything. Once you do that, you'll be fine. And guys, this is really important right here, because this is your blind spot monitoring and it will throw off the whole system. So make sure you plug it in and push it down until it clicks. And also this is for your heated mirror, so you want to push on the inside. Make sure you push on the inside, never on the outside. Push in the mirror. You remove the tape. So never push on the edge of the mirror like oh here. Always push in the center, because if you push on the edge, there is a good chance you're gonna break it. So make sure once the clip in, make sure you move it in all directions. Alright, so that's good. The next step you can do is just check your power mirror, make sure that works. And also to make sure when you turn the car on, let me get the key. So you want to make sure when you turn the car on, that light come on. If that light don't come on, you're gonna have problems. So we're gonna switch that to that, and we're gonna move it. So that's good, it's working. So guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.